Nice. Good morning, dear children. So we are studying about managing files and folders. Okay. Half of the lesson we have completed in previous class, and today other things will complete. Okay. So today we'll cover about deleting a file and folder, restoring a file and folder, permanently deleting file or folder, moving or copying a file or folder from one drive to another. Okay, these four topics now I'll do and show you how to do. Okay, so deleting a file and folder. Suppose I told you that how to create a file. Suppose we have now will create a file or folder. Okay. Suppose I have given the name as like this. So suppose you have made this folder and later on decided you want to delete this folder. So for deleting the folder, just click on this folder, left click, okay, and then right click on this folder, select the option delete. Okay, the file will be deleted from its location, but this file is not permanently deleted now. Okay, it is stored in the recycle bin. Okay, so if you will go to recycle bin, you can find it now. So let us search recycle bin. Okay. So see, this is your recycle bin. Okay, you can get this file which we have deleted now. If you will not get it, many files are there, you can search it. You can find this folder. Okay, so now I have deleted just now. So this file, this folder, so this deleted folder you will get in the recycle bin because it is not permanently deleted. If you want back to again to its position, you just right click, okay, and then select the option restore. Okay, right click and select the option restore, and you will find the again the folder will be at the same place. Okay, so that means see that file, if you are whenever you are deleting the file, that file is going to the recycle bin, and if you want you can restore it again. Okay, that is not permanently deleted. But if you want to delete the file permanently, okay, so you have you one is there, way is there, that is you press shift and select the file first which you want to delete, then press shift and delete key together. Okay, so you can find this type of means warning message on your screen. Are you sure you want to permanently delete this folder? If you delete it yes, then it will be permanently deleted from the disk, you cannot get it back. And if you'll do no or by mistake you are doing, then it is up to you what you have to decide. Okay, so permanently, before permanently deleting any file, you should think that is it a useful file or not, because you cannot back it. Okay, but if you will not only delete, it will be go and store in the recycle bin, you can later and restore it. Okay, so you can do this. So now another one is how can you drive a means copy a folder or file from one drive to another. Okay, so for this, suppose this is my folder. Okay, and this is to in the C drive it is. Okay, and if I want to means shift it to your D drive or any pen drive you have attached, then how can we do it? Okay, so first of all, if you want to shift the file from any one drive to another, you right click on the files. It is up to you if you are want to shift the file, move the file, or you want to copy the file. It is up to you, so you can cut it and copy it. Okay, and you can use a shortcut key also, Control X, and for copy Control C, and for pasting Control V. So I am doing moving, so cut it. Okay, so now for another drive I will go to this PC. Okay, when I'll go to this PC, it will show me all the locations. C is the C drive, so it is a D drive, another drive. If you attach a pen drive, then it will show you that drive also. So open the drive where you want to paste. Suppose from C drive to E drive I am bringing, so I will open. Okay, E drive opened. So if E drive you want to make any folder and you want to paste inside it, you can do it also by right clicking new, then a folder. Okay, create a folder of your choice and then inside it. Okay, and otherwise if you want to directly paste it, then right click. Okay, and then go to paste option. Okay, that folder or file, whatever you will bring, cut or paste it, copy or paste it. So that folder will be means drive from one drive to another drive, it will be copied. Okay, but if one thing I left, that is if you want to means delete all the files permanently, then you will go to your recycle bin. Okay, and that one option will be there, empty the recycle bin. Okay, you go to the properties and you select all the files. Okay, then you means delete all the files, so all the files will be deleted from the recycle bin. Okay, permanently deleted, you cannot get it back. Okay, and empty recycle bin option is also there, you can use that also, or you can delete also by select and delete all the option, all the files from the recycle bin. If permanently you want to delete all the files from the recycle bin, then you go for this option. Okay, otherwise not. Okay, with this chapter completed. Okay, along with this video I have sent the assessment also, you note down it in your copy and complete this chapter. Okay, and any doubt you can ask me, doubt class we are discussing. Okay, thank you all, have a nice day.